In this video, we'll cover pre-proof detailing of pipe penetrations. The pipe penetration details include anything that's round and smooth coming through vertical or horizontal surfaces, typically plumbing and electrical penetrations, or round concrete piles. The recommended approach involves cutting and dry fitting all patches before mixing and applying the Bidgethane liquid membrane. What you'll need: pre-proof membrane, Bidgethane liquid membrane, pre-proof tape, knife, roller, V-roller, trowel, an AdCore 500S or other GCP approved water stop system. The first step is ensuring you have a proper substrate, either a mud slab or compacted earth or stone. Ensure the penetrations are at least 6 inches apart. If your conditions differ, consult your GCP representative for guidance. Mud slabs should receive at minimum a float finish to achieve a regular and smooth substrate, free of protruding aggregate with no voids greater than ½ inch. Earth or stone should be compacted to a level that won't be displaced during installation and concrete placement. Any penetration coming through compacted earth or stone needs to be grouted solid. Ensure the penetration surface is free of debris and rust. Begin by cutting the pre-proof membrane to within ½ inch of the penetration, ensuring it isn't riding up the penetration. If the membrane is riding up the penetration, trim the excess. Ensure the gap between the membrane and the penetration doesn't exceed ½ inch. In cases of a continuous penetration, make a relief cut, come around the penetration, and seal the relief cut with pre-proof tape. Then remove the release liner and roll. Next, cut and dry fit all of the target patches. Target patches should extend at least 6 inches past the outside diameter of the penetration in all directions. To cut the inside of the target patch, mark the outside diameter of the penetration. Make relief cuts starting from the outside and cutting towards the center to create teeth. For any penetration greater in diameter than 4 inches, the teeth should be trimmed down to 2 inches. After cutting and dry fitting all target patches around all penetrations, mix the Bidgethane liquid membrane. Install a hefty 1-inch fillet at the base of the penetration, sealing from the penetration to the pre-proof membrane sheet. Install the previously cut target patch around the penetration by setting it into the uncured Bidgethane liquid membrane with sufficient hand pressure to ensure full and continuous contact. You'll see excess liquid membrane from the teeth, ensuring a good seal to the penetration. Strike off any excess Bidgethane liquid membrane. Secure the teeth to the penetration with pre-proof tape. The tape should be flush to the base of the penetration and extend around the penetration. Overlap the tape onto itself by 2 inches. Remove the release liner before sealing. Roll the tape to ensure a good seal. Then tape the square target patch into the membrane sheet, using the pre-proof tape to create a picture frame-like border around the patch, centering the tape over the edges of the patch. Overlap the tape onto itself by 2 inches and remove the release liner before rolling. Roll the overlapping, intersecting T-joints with a V-roller to ensure a complete seal of the tape to the membrane. To complete the process, install AdCore 500S or other GCP-approved water stop directly above the pre-proof tape that's terminating the penetration. With this detail completed, you've achieved a proper watertight termination to maintain the continuity of the pre-proof waterproofing system. For more information about GCP products and step-by-step videos for other details, visit gcpat.com/learn-preproof.